If you are looking for a weight program, this might interest you. It's the 15-week weights and fat burn exercise program. Now I call it an exercise program, but it's a workout program or fitness program. Call it whatever you want to call it, they're all the same. So basically, there's a playlist of all the workouts you should be doing on my site, fitnessfirststeps.com, or the playlist is in my YouTube channel under the 15 weeks workout plan. You will need some form of weight setups like a weights bench and free weights, dumbbells, or a multi-gym. It's up to you to see what you should be doing that day and do it with your equipment. So basically, if you're bench pressing on a bench and you ain't got a bench, you do that on the multi-gym. You can screenshot the program here, or you can go to the website and download it, print it off. Now this workout will bulk up your muscles a bit, but that is entirely up to you. Ladies can do this workout too. All they have to do is lower their weights and up the repetitions. There are some cardio workouts in this program too, because we're going to burn some fat too. It's always good to do cardio workouts. If you've not got access to some heavy weights, then I have something else for you, the 12-week program. This one, you need light dumbbells. If you haven't got nothing at all, you can just use a tin of beans if you want. Go and check that out. I think I've said everything I need to say. My name's Richie, this is Fitness First Steps. Hit me up on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whatever. Go to my website, everything is there in a nice little package just for you. See you soon. Laters.